What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Honda powered Black Max lawnmower. And the problem is it won't start. And when it was running though, the self-propel wasn't working either. To be honest with you, I'm still on the fence about the front caster wheels. With the casters unlocked, it's hard to keep a straight line. This type of design is better suited for an overly landscaped yard requiring lots of maneuvering. If we take a look around the engine, we can see the problem as to why it's not starting. The brake cable is corroded and broken. And once we get the engine working properly, we'll then take a look as to why the self-propel isn't working either. And since the end of the cable is still attached to the lever arm, I might as well use it to help bypass the kill switch. And of course, we'll replace the cable once we confirm that there's nothing wrong with the engine. Well, the engine seems to work just fine, so I went ahead and ordered the cable, and here it is if you want to see the part number. Let's go ahead and remove the broken one and replace it with a new one. It's not difficult to do. All you need to do is pinch the plastic tabs and pull it free. Next, attach the anchor on the handle and then reconnect the other end to the control bar. And once that's done, go ahead and check to make sure it's working just fine. And once that's done, let's go ahead and tilt the mower back and then check the self-propel belt. This is the most likely reason as to why the self-propel may not be working. To check the belt, you'll have to remove the blade and the belt cover. The belt cover has two bolts holding it in place. And now it's pretty obvious as to why the self-propel isn't working. The belt has simply come off of its pulley. We're going to simply put the belt back on the pulley and then adjust the tension up by the handle to make sure that it doesn't come off again in the future. Once everything is back together, let's go ahead and put it back on the ground and test out the engine and make sure that the self-propel works. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.